Most trail rides look the same. Point of view shots, a few selfies, and that's it. But what if you could turn a simple ride into a cinematic story that hooks viewers and keeps them watching? That's exactly what I do with the HoverAir X1 Pro Max drone. And today I'll show you the shots, the setup, and how to put it all together to make your rides look like a movie. Let's go. Make sure you watch to the end where you see my drone crash while using the side tracking feature. Cinematic doesn't mean complicated, it means your shots feel intentional. Anyone can record a ride, but cinematic drone shots give your viewers a sense of being there with you. And if they feel like they're on the ride, they'll keep watching. That's the difference between average video footage and unforgettable footage. One of the reasons I use the HoverAir X1 Pro Max drone is because it's lightweight, quick to set up, and doesn't slow me down on the trail. I don't need bulky gear because I can just put it in my pocket. Here's how I set it up. I launch from the trailhead with a wide establishing shot. I switch to tracking mode mid-ride, and the drone follows me as I ride. And I finish with an overhead exit shot that signals the ride's end. That's it. 3 simple setups that work every time. While you're out on the trail, it's good to get a view of the different surroundings, and you can use orbit mode to bring this about. The beauty of the side view is that you can get a side view shot without having a personal cameraman. You just use the HoverAir Pro Max. Another great way to have point of view shots is to have the drone hover in place while you go in and out of the view. One of the great shots you can get from this HoverAir drone is tracking from the front, so it flies backwards while it's filming you. During the trail ride, you're probably going to come across a lot of beautiful scenes that you want to capture, so it keeps people watching throughout the video. If there are amazing structures during the ride, make sure you capture it on video as you're cycling across, as on this gigantic bridge. While riding the trail using sidetrack mode, the drone suddenly crashed into the bushes. Fortunately, I was able to find and retrieve it. Sometimes you got to go off the beaten track so you can give the viewers a different perspective of the trail. This is where the HoverAir X1 Pro Max drone really shines. In tracking mode, it follows me automatically, weaving through trees and staying locked on the ride. Instead of static shots, the viewer gets motion and they feel the speed, the terrain, the adventure. This is the shot that keeps people watching. Every story needs a beginning. I start with a wide shot of the trailhead, me with my bike ready to ride. This instantly tells the viewer where we are, what's about to happen. Without context, a trail ride is just clips. With this, it feels like the start of a journey. Finally, the ending. I'll ride out while the drone lifts overhead, giving a bird's eye view of the trail opening up. It feels like the story closing. We started together at the trailhead, we traveled through the ride, and now we exit. That's storytelling, not just filming. When I first started recording rides, I just had random clips stitched together. People clicked in, but they didn't stay. Once I started using these 3 drone shots, beginning, middle, and end, my retention went way up. If you want your trail ride videos to feel cinematic without needing expensive gear, try these simple drone shots with the HoverAir X1 Pro Max drone. Link is in the description.
I just finished editing my trail ride video, so now you can see how it all came together.
Start, immerse, and finish strong. And if you want to go even deeper, my next video shows you how to use drone storytelling to boost your YouTube watch time. Make sure you don't miss it.